Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. There's good and then there's extraordinary. This CTS is a driving experience like no other. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, external memory control, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.